no sé nada. Yo no sé nada. No sé nada, cabrón. You're making a mistake. You're making a mistake. You no sé nada.
Dr. Juice?
Yeah. Waiting on Serge's intel.
We miss anything?
Just about to get started. You want first crack at the piñata?
Yeah.
What are you doing? I'm helping him through it.
Wait, ¿qué están haciendo? ¿Qué están haciendo? What is this? Please, please. No, 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 no. Stop!
Why is Alvarez patching you over?
Heroin! The Mayans are setting up a bag and cut operation in Lodi. They're moving Ace to Stockton prison, that's all I know.
This had to be the deal Alvarez cut with Zabel. Must still be on the table. Mine supply the dope, AB gives him the prison run.
That process in ancient Lodi means they're running it through Charming to get to Stockton.
You gotta take Alvarez down.
Shred him in pieces. We get bloody.